pag-architect nato diri sa ato ang policy and retention, we made sure na wala gay makalusot nga dili bar ready.
Okay.
So we have 4 thrusts here sa atong School of Law. First, we make sure that our future graduates are bar ready, which means that reviewing is no longer a necessity but an option to our law graduates. Second, they have to be industry or practice ready, which means na ang atong fresh graduate dili na kailangan makulbaan sulod sa court because they have experienced simulations and direct first
That's good.
Yes.
Along the way sa 4 years nila nga pag-eskwela diri na mga simulations.
Na mga simulations, na may moot court, and we have embedded also in our curriculum courses which are institutional in nature. Nga kita lang diri sa CMU in the whole Philippines ang naa. So that is the beauty of our curriculum because it's a model curriculum actually kung ma-recognize siya, and we plan it to copyright it so that we will be recognized also.
Sige na, unsa to siya again? Unsa na siya? Institutionally.
Nami mga courses nga wala gi-require sa lab nga kami ang nagbutang kay para mahimo mo-complement siya sa mga subjects sa law school.
Asa po mo nagkakuha sa idea, ana?
It was my original plan because based on my experiences, kay, aside sa books, so magod, I'm also teaching with Jose Maria College in Davao City, sa law school gyapon nila. So, with my various na experiences in the academe, not only in the law school, Ma'am Elge, daghan di ko na learn nga o sa kulang sa mga curriculum nato kay ako personally as a lawyer and a product of old curriculum sa law, makita na ko nga medyo kulang mi sa dili mi practice ready because upon graduation kung dili lang ka arisgada ako personally wala ko choice but to really conquer my fear. Kay number one, I have no connections, I have no millions nga parents nga dato nga magulat na lang ko nga unsa. So I have to work my ass out in order for me to thrive in the profession. Kaya I have no connections at all. So arisgada, so nakita na ko dito na kung dili tanan arisgada, and thankfully Ma'am Elge, because of my exposures in debate and mooting when I was still a student, dili gud nako ma-survive guro ang akong profession after 3 years of passing the bar. I feel so fulfilled and accomplished already, and this is my personal assessment. Pasalamat jud ko sa ako ang kanabitang hardships because of that. Pero kini magud na ako reality is not everyone's reality.
Yes.
So that is the reason why we really envision na sa law school nato diri sa CMU, they already have the experience when they reach the court, kulba na lang, pero as to the mura bitog suwito na ka ba? At home, feel at home na kay kasulod sa court. Dili na ka magkulba-kulbaan. So kana lang nga matabang nato sa atong graduate. And aside from practice ready, research oriented because thesis program man ta. This is one of the major problems that we want to respond sa profession because pipila lang ka mga lawyers gyud ang actual research. Wala majority wala background sa research because most Juris Doctor programs all over the country are non-thesis.
Sige daw, unsa nga mga universities diri sa Philippines nga thesis ang thesis ang ilahang law school?
As far as I know, University of the Philippines has
UP Diliman.
Yes, Silliman has
Silliman
University na thesis. Ateneo and I think UST.
Ateneo di Davao.
Manila.
Manila.
Admo.
So even ang Ateneo di Davao wala?
Wala sa thesis.
Okay.
Because number one, they find it kanang mura og dili siya importante kay at the end of the day, it's the bar exam ang target. You need to pass the bar exam, and that is where the problem comes in now because bar focus ra kayo ang ato ang mga legal education providers. Ang nahitabo karon is wala tay gapang sige tag produce og mga lawyers dili practice ready kasagaran, dili pagyud research oriented. So mo nga reason dahil kitag lawyers kay ang bar exam naman ang gina-focus kay feel nila in a ways yan na lang tagkaluwasan later part. So people failed also to realize, even mga legal academicians failed to realize that even if they are lawyers, if wala sila first-hand experience and wala sila practice ready nga characteristic, they're putting at risk the future of their clients. Their clients is about to lose their right to property, life, and even their unsa diba kanang itawag na to freedom. Kay mga priso, mga kwarta or property. So dapat ang lawyer good is very creative and innovative in the practice. Kay in order for us to give quality legal services to our clients.